Shoots a hole-in-one, he wins $1 million. Get this, there's an entire industry based on hole-in-one contest insurance. And Mark Gilmartin is the president of Hole-in-One International. And Mark joins us from Reno. All right, Mark, let's do a hypothetical for a second. Supposing I, at Varney and Company, say, right, we're going to have a golf outing. And we're going to offer a prize, $1 million, if any of the golfers on our golf outing gets a hole-in-one. You insure me. How much does it cost to insure $1 million hole-in-one prize?
Well, Stuart, you know, the price of that's really affordable. It can get down to about $85 per shot if you're going to insure the entire golf tournament for $1 million.
Oh, that's interesting. So that's how it works.
Yeah.
So the number of shots taken, roughly $85 per shot. Now, that would really add up, wouldn't it, if you've got, you know, quite a few golfers taking 18 holes?
Well, it would add up. Most tournaments, what they do is called an after-tournament shootout, where they select just a select few number of people. Like in the case in New Mexico, they selected 6 people to take a shot for $1 million after the tournament, and one of which, as you see, made the hole-in-one and won the $1 million. So in that case, they pay about $190 a shot. So it's really quite affordable for a sponsor to offer such a big prize at a tournament and have a great event. And as you can see, sometimes they turn out to be big winners. Now,
you're the insurer, so obviously you're playing the odds here. How did you come up with the odds that, so you're charging $85 a shot?
Yeah, basically the odds of making a hole-in-one are about 13,600 to 1. And, you know, like any insurance product, it's a numbers game. So the ball can go in the hole and it could cost the insurance company $5,000, or it could go in and cost, as in this case, can cost us $1 million. So we do a high volume of tournaments. We do about 15,000 tournaments a year. And we hope at the end of the year we look at the bottom of the line, bottom line of the company, and hopefully we make money.
How about those contests which I see where somebody shoots from the halfway line at basketball? They got one shot, they're a total nobody, put it in the basket and you get something. What's the odds on that?
Yeah, we do a lot of those as well, Stuart, and the odds on that is about 40 to 1. So to insure a $10,000 prize, about for every $10,000 worth of prize value, a half-court basketball shot is obviously more expensive because the odds are quite lower, and that'll cost you about $500 per shot. But once again, affordable in the big scheme of things when you have, you know, the focus of 15 to 20,000 people focusing on your brand at half-court during a large basketball game.
One quick one, lastly. What proportion of these prize contests actually get insurance?
Well, the smart ones do, because as you can see, they can happen. So there's quite a few events. As I said before, we insure about 15,000 events a year. So it's a decent-sized industry, very specialized, as you can imagine. But I wouldn't want to be the guy that says, I'll give away $1 million if you make a hole-in-one and not have called a company like ours.
Yeah, well said indeed. Hey, Mark Gilmartin, Hole-in-One International. Thanks so much for joining us. A very, very interesting subject, and we appreciate it.